Western Cape Government's Department of Transport and Public Works is the custodian of the province's immovable property assets. The monitoring and measurement of property performance data is the foundation of responsible asset management. The Property Efficiency Report is now in its 8th year. It showcases the performance of 37 office buildings in the province's portfolio greater than 1,000 square meters in extent, benchmarked against the private sector. These buildings total approximately 211,000 square meters of space. The 4 areas of focus are energy consumption, water consumption, space utilization, and costs of operation. Total electricity consumption increased by 3.4% to 150 kilowatt-hours per square meter per annum during the reporting period. This was largely due to conversion from water-cooled to dry cooler chillers, replacing diesel-driven boilers with heat pumps. These changes were required to save water as a result of the severe drought the province experienced. The portfolio is 35% more efficient than the private sector. The Western Cape Government's own buildings are 29% more efficient than the leased buildings. The installation of rooftop solar photovoltaic systems has started to show increasing returns. There are now 17 government-owned buildings with these generation plants, contributing 2% of the portfolio's total electricity needs. In the past year, there was 3,888 megawatt-hours of savings, valued at a minimum of 3.6 million rand. This technology not only contributes to energy savings, but has led to skills development in this fast-growing industry, and procurement has been targeted from small and medium-sized enterprises. Various programs initiated as a result of the drought from mid-2017 to mid-2018 yielded amazing results. Water consumption has decreased approximately 30% over the last 3 years and 9% for the year in review. This is particularly significant when it is noted that the workforce within the buildings increased by approximately 1,200 people. Water consumption for the portfolio is now at 0.63 kiloliters per square meter per annum, against a private sector benchmark of 0.94. That's a formidable 33% benefit over the private sector. One of the flagship water-saving projects has been the installation of a black water treatment system as part of the refurbishment project at 3 Dorp Street. This is the only building in the Cape Town CBD that recycles black water. An estimated 1 million litres were captured and reused for the flushing of toilets and watering of the lush rooftop garden. A cornerstone of the improved performance on the electricity and water consumption fronts has been the installation, commissioning, and monitoring of remote meters. This project commenced in 2014 with 1 building. It has grown to 49 buildings with 792 meters in place. One of the ways to reduce costs is to create more efficient workspace without sacrificing the comfort and functionality of the workers. There has been a 10% improvement in space utilization over the past year. The owned CBD buildings match the private sector benchmark of 15 square meters per desk. Design changes during the 3 Dorp Street refurbishment has seen space per desk decrease to 10 square meters, a decrease of almost 30%. The portfolio's total cost decreased by nearly 19%. The ability to improve efficiencies relies on reliable, comprehensive, and timely information. The various programs initiated over the past few years, complemented by the establishment of resource champions and a committed team approach, has seen real progress in this regard. Much has been achieved in the past 8 years. Watch this space. There's more to come.